Hello and welcome to the Dezperate Actor YouTube channel. It's me, Steve Des from DesperateActor.com, and today we're going to be talking about the No Lies music videos, a little story time session about yet another music video that I did. This particular music video, if I remember correctly, I actually did get paid for this one. So but I didn't get paid much. I got paid maybe like $100 or $70, something like that. Around $70 to $100 is what I remember. But still, it's like, oh my God, how exciting. Like, it's finally paying off. I'm finally getting some money. It's great. Yeah, overall, I believe it was probably the same way I self submitted in one of these casting websites and things like that. And for this particular role in particular, I said particular a lot in that one. I was playing sort of like a asshole boyfriend. Let's just put it that way. I was basically the story of the music video is about this one woman that's in a relationship with this rapper, but she's being a little shady about it, and she's actually having an affair with someone else. And who's that someone else? This guy. And and she's cheating on him and stuff like that. And that's kind of the extent of the music video. This one was from a lovely, lovely family. Well, the rapper itself, his rapper name is YL, and he's this Mexican guy, Mexican heritage guy that is from Los Angeles, but his whole family is from the TJ area, the Mexico Tijuana area, so borderline San Diego. And they were all super nice, and I'm talking about over the top nicest people ever. I remember, every time I wasn't shooting, because my scenes were relatively short. And another thing that I really enjoyed about that day versus like the previous music videos we talked about is that the other music videos, I was on set for hours. Like, I'm talking about, I dedicated almost my whole day, if not my whole day, in those music videos. In this one, what I enjoyed, it was like within 4 hours, I was done. I went, I waited, I talked to people, I filmed my scenes, and I was pretty much done. I could have stuck around if I wanted to like see the whole competition of the music video. But I ended up just hanging around with the family for a little bit, and then I ended up just going home because we shot this. I believe it was in the borderline Santa Monica Beach, Venice area, Venice Beach. We shot it all outdoors by the beach area. It was with a really cool production company. I became really good friends with them, and they actually called me for other things, the other projects they had in mind and stuff like that. So that was really cool to build that relationship. And again, you build those relationships when you're on set. When you're on set, you never know how meeting one person or meeting another person might lead you to either better representation, a referral, possibly other projects. There's many things that can happen. That's why the magic happens a lot on set. Sometimes it happens before set, because you got to get on set. But on set, a lot of networking does happen, and it allows you to propel your career forward by getting new projects in line, by connecting with new people that can open more doors for you and things like that. That's why sharing these stories is very important for me. So you guys understand that, like, it's a journey, it's a process, and especially when you don't know how to get started, like what to do next. Sometimes you get stuck and you're like, oh my God, like, how do I move forward? I don't want to be stuck where I'm at right now. And that's why I created also the Dezperate Actor program. Check out DesperateActor.com if you're interested in checking one of our premium courses or coaching, a bunch of resources that we have there for you, both free and paid things we have there for you. So going back to the music video, the No More Lies music video, I'm not their target demographic as far as like the music that they were pushing out, but the story and the way it was shot, It was really, really awesome. And we're talking about this is an era where drones and things like that weren't really commercialized yet. So the way everything was shot, the professionalism that there was on set, how everybody treated each other for the short amount of time that we were together. This was a very short amount of time. Everything was amazing. Everything was great. The process was great. I loved it. I actually got paid, and I believe I got even paid in cash, if I'm not mistaken. I think like literally like the dad or the mom or somebody just handed me like $100 or $70 or something like that. And I was like, wow, thank you. Like I feel so special and so awesome just because I've been grinding so hard and literally getting paid. And like I said before, if you have been following the series, in literal Subway sandwiches. And just to get some type of money, it's not life changing money, but it's something. And it means a lot when you're on this grind and you're just like trying to figure things out. And that's the reason also I created the program, the Dezperate Actor program, because I don't want you guys to struggle like I did. I'm sharing my journey, my story, my everything. So you guys don't have to go through this process and see how grueling it was for me. Even though my experiences were great and I don't regret absolutely anything. But if I were to do it all over again, oh, I will get the Dezperate Actor program. I will get something where I will ask 1,000 million questions to everybody just to figure out the industry out. So I'm not scrambling to get a dollar here and a dollar there, so I can go straight to the source of abundance and overflowing of opportunities. So if you're looking for the actual music video, it's still up. I just checked it out. It's called YL No Lies, the music video. It's on YouTube. There I am doing my best impression of The Rock there, I guess, raising my eyebrow. But that's essentially how I was able to portray like the asshole boyfriend or side piece or whatever you want to call it. And right there, my co-star, right there, her name is Winter Grace. She was actually in, if you watch the previous video that I talked about in StoryTime, I talked about Ballyhoo last night, the music video. She was actually an extra in that music video. So if you go and check out that music video, and then you go and check out this music video, you see that two people that were in that music video are in this music video. So it's just fun to see how like the path just aligns and like you cross paths with so many people in this industry because the world is really small when it comes to the acting world, and you see the people that are out there grinding and doing their thing, and yeah, it's overall a fun experience. So anywho, if you want to get to know more about the Dezperate Actor and everything that we have, go to desperateactor.com. We have free resources. We have premium resources just for you. Make sure to like the video, share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do. Subscribe so we can get more like-minded individuals like you. And also don't forget to comment below what's been something that resonated with you, what's been something that has been bothering you and you want your question answered, whatever it is, leave it in the comments below. I would really like to know. And anywho, that's pretty much it. Next week, we're going to cover, do we have another music video next week? We'll cover something next week. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we have a brand new video right here at Dezperate Actor, the YouTube channel. And we'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day.